Let's make a bounce animation in CapCut. First, add text to the timeline and type text in the text box. Choose a Rubik font for it. Now move the playhead 10 frames ahead and add a transform keyframe here. Now place the playhead at the beginning of the text and drag the text in upward direction. For a bounce effect, move the playhead to 16 frames ahead from the beginning. Move the text again slightly in an upward direction. After this move, the playhead 6 frames again and drag the text to its center position. Now let's smooth the animation. Click right on a keyframe and choose Show Variable Speed Animation. Go to the Y-axis keyframes graph and select the keyframes line one by one, and select the quad ease graph from the preset curves. The bounce looks very high, so we're gonna drag the center position keyframe towards the bottom side slightly. Now it looks fine. Hide the variable speed animation and trim the text from the last keyframe. Duplicate the text and use this animation for multiple texts. Now, we are going to apply this animation to images. Copy attributes from the text and paste them to the image. You can see we can't paste attributes to different clips, so we're gonna add keyframes to the image for bounce animation. Decrease the scale of the image to around 30%, and then move the playhead to 10 frames forward and add a keyframe. Then, move the playhead to the beginning of the image and drag the logo upward. Now add the third and fourth keyframes at the 16 and 22-second marks. For the third keyframe, move the image slightly upward and then move it downward. This will create a bounce effect. Now smooth the keyframes. And here is the final result.